Now we learn how to find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First question is px equal to 2x plus 5. Now we have to put px as 0, means this 2x plus 5 will be written as 2x plus 5 equal to 0. You have to find the zero of the polynomial 2x plus 5. So putting px equal to 0 means 2x plus 5 equal to 0. What we will get, we'll solve this, equal to, this will be therefore 2x equal to minus 5. Therefore we will find the value of x. Therefore x equal to minus 5 by 2. This is the value of x. So now what will be the answer? Hence x equal to minus 5 by 2 is a zero of the polynomial px. ओके, इसको ऐसे लिखा जाता है. अभी हम लोग और एक सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, पी एक्स इक्वल टू ए एक्स वेर ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. सेम सॉल्यूशन इसका ऐसे ही होगा. पुटिंग पी एक्स एज 0 वी गेट ax equal to 0. Now we will solve this. Therefore x equal to 0 by a. So 0 by a is 0. Okay, how will we write this? Hence x equal to 0 is a zero of the polynomial px. Okay, now let's learn the remainder theorem. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now if you take this example, x plus 1 is the divisor and 3x square plus x minus 1 is the dividend. If you want to divide 3x square plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1, what will be the quotient? We'll have to find out. Okay, now let's start solving it. Now how we will divide this? 3x square goes in x how many times? It goes in 3x times. 3x into x is 3x square. Okay, so you subtract, and 3x goes in 1 how many times? 3x. Since it is plus, take down it as plus 3x. You have to change the sign. Okay, I am circling in. Okay, minus. So minus 3x plus 1x is 2x. How? Minus plus plus is minus, so you have to minus 3x minus 1x is 2x, and sign of the greater number is minus, so you have to put down minus and carry down this minus 1 as it is. Okay, so now x goes in 2x how many times? X into 2 is 2x. Okay, now since here there is minus, you have to put minus. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Now 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, now minus into plus is minus. Since it is multiplication, we have to not see the sign of the greater number, or directly you have to multiply and write down the sign. This minus will change into plus, minus will change into plus. So what will be the result? Plus 2 minus 1 is 1. How? Plus 2 minus 1. Minus plus plus is minus. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Sign of the greater number is plus. So plus. and this minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled, so it is 0. Okay, so now here this is the quotient, and this 1 is the remainder. Okay, now we will find the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Okay, now here we have learned in this how we have solved this equation. Putting px as 0 means this equation as 0 means ax equal to 0. Okay, we have done this. Now here what we will be doing, we'll take the value of x. Okay, here is what it is given, this equation is divided by x minus 1. So what will be the value of x? We'll find out first the value of x. Okay, how will we find it out? Right, if px equal to x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3 minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1, what is the remainder? Here you have seen how we have found out the remainder. Okay, we have divided this equation by this. Okay, here they have given same, the method is different and the question is the same. Divide this by this. Okay, so what is the next step? This means that 0 of x equal to 1. How will we find out this? Because x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 1. How? This minus 1 will go to this side, sign will change, the value will remain same, 1 will remain same, minus will become plus, therefore the value of x is 1. Okay, now we will put x is equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, 1 raised to 4 plus 1 raised to cube minus 2 1 raised to 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now we will solve this. Okay, any power to the value 1 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, and this is 1 square. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, and this 1 plus 1 is 2, so the answer is 2. Okay, how will we write now? So by remainder theorem, 2 is the remainder when x raised to 4 plus x raised to 3, sorry, it is minus 2x raised to square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Okay, what does it mean? That if you divide this by this x minus 1 in this same fashion, you will get the remainder as 2. Okay, let's solve one more example. Now the question is little bit different. Check whether the polynomial qt equal to 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1 is a multiple of 2t plus 1. what do you mean by multiple of this? Here if you take this example, here suppose the question is this: 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. If you put it as a dividend, okay, if you put it as a dividend, and what would be the divisor? In place of x plus 1, if you put 2t plus 1, and if the remainder is 0, then you can say that this is a multiple of this, okay. Here the remainder is not 0. Now let's see in this case whether the remainder is 0. So we can say that this is a multiple of this, okay. Let's try to solve it. Now qt will be a multiple of 2t plus 1 only if 2t plus 1 divides qt with divides qt with remainder 0, okay. Now taking 2t plus 1 equal to 0, we will get the value of t. So solve this, okay. Therefore t equal to, now you have to shift the values. Here it is plus 1. If we shift it to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. And this 2 into t, so multiplication will become division. So this will come down. So value will remain same. So the value of t is minus 1 by 2. Now we will put this value minus 1 by 2 into this value in this equation, okay. Now how will we write? Q minus 1 by 2 equal to 4. Here in place of t we have to put minus 1 by 2. So it will be minus 1 by 2 q plus 4 minus 1 by 2 square. This is minus and this is minus. So it will become plus. We will solve it in the next step. Let it remain as it is. So we will solve this in the next step, okay. And this minus 1 will remain as it is, minus 1, okay. So now we will solve this. 4 into 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 3 times is 8, and minus sign will remain as it is. It's a cube, so it will remain as it is. Here it's a square, so 2 into 2 times, so 2 2s are 4, so minus into minus will become plus, okay. This 4 will remain as it is, so 4 into 1 by 4. Minus into minus is plus, so it will change, sign will change. And half will remain as it is, and 1 will remain as it is, okay. Now let's solve this, okay. If you solve this will become 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If to reduce to its lowest form, this will get cut. This half will remain as it is, 1 will remain as it is, okay. So if you solve this, the answer will be 0. So now you got the remainder 0. So you can say that this is a multiple of this. How will we write? So 2t plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial qt and that is qt is a multiple of 2t plus 1. Now let's solve exercise 2.3. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2. Okay, how will we solve this? We will put x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, now we will solve this by putting x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now we will solve and get value of x. This will be therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2 will go this side, so it will become plus 1 by 2. Okay, the value of x is 1 by 2. Now using remainder theorem, when px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2 remainder will be given by p 1 by 2. Okay, now we will put p as 1 by 2, means x as 1 by 2. We have got this value x equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. Okay, so x cube will become 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2. This will remain as it is, plus 1. Okay, now if you solve this, the value will be 27 by 8. 1 by 2 3 times, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 8. Okay, this will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 2 times, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Okay, so this will be 3 by 4, then this will be 3 by 2 and plus 1. So if you take the LCM is 8. Okay, and respective numerators you have to multiply to get the LCM 8. So the answer is 27 by 8. Solve one more example, 5 plus 2x. Okay, you have to find the remainder. The question is the same. Okay, so now 5 plus 2x, you have to put this 5 plus 2x to find out the remainder in this equation. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 means you have to find out the remainder. Okay, so putting this equation as 0. Putting 5 plus 2x equal to 0, we will get the value of x. So what will be x? Therefore x equal to, this 5 will go to the right hand side, this is plus 5, so if we shift it, it will become minus 5, and 2 into x, when 2 into x, if you have to take on the right hand side, it will go to the denominator, so it will become 2. The value will remain same, so x will become minus 5 by 2. Now we will have to put this x as minus 5 by 2 in this equation, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, we'll put this. So now minus 5 by 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now we will solve it. 5 into 5 into 5, 5 multiplied 3 times, so it will become 125. Since it is the cube, the sign will remain as it is. 2 cube is 8. Okay, plus 3. Now what will be the answer of this? 5 into 5 is 25. This will become plus 25 since it is a square, and 2 square is 4. Okay, now and this will become minus plus plus is minus, and 5 3s are 15, so 15 by 2, and this plus will remain as it is. Okay, now we will take the LCM. Okay, the greatest number is 8, so what will be the answer? The LCM is 8. 8 ones are 8, so 125 ones are 125 will remain same, and minus will remain same. Okay, now plus 4 2s are 8. Okay, 2 times you have to multiply. 25 2s are 50. 50 into 3 is 150. Okay, 2 4s are 8, so 15 4s are 60. Sign will remain as it is, and 1 8s are 8, so this will remain, the sign will remain as it is, and 8. Okay, now if you solve this, this will become minus 27 by 8. So the answer of this is minus 27 by 8. Now we'll solve this question number 3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So as we have solved here earlier, same way we will do. We will put the value given as 0, we'll find the value of x and substitute in the equation. Okay, so we will put solution, putting 7 plus 3x equal to 0, we get the value of x equal to, now x, let it remain on this side, take 7 on this side to get the value of x, so plus will become minus 7. Okay, minus 7 and 3 into x, so this 3 will go to the denominator. Okay, so the value of x is 7 by 3. Now we have to substitute the value of x as 7 by 3. Okay, 3 into, in place of x write minus 7 by 3 cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. Okay, now we will solve this. Okay, 7 into 7 into 7 3 times, so what it is? 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7 is 343. 343 divided by 3 cube is 27. This 3 will remain as it is, and minus sign will remain as it is since it is a cube, and minus plus plus is minus. 7 7s are 49 by 3. Now take the LCM. 3 1s are 9, 3s are 27. So LCM is 9. Okay, minus will remain as it is. 343, 9 1s are 9, so 343 into 1 is 343, and 3 3s are 9, and 49 into 3 is 147. Minus sign will remain as it is, So the answer is minus 490 by 9. Okay. How will we write this now? Since remainder p minus 7 by 3 is not equal to 0. There is a value, it is not equal to 0. Hence 7 plus 3x 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay.